Hello friends and strangers, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Once again, this is a transformation video. These are my favorite to do, but they are a lot of effort and a lot of work, so it is easier for me to just do every like 2 or 3 weeks rather than like every single week, you know. Plus I really like my inspired videos too, so let me know what you guys think. Anyway, today we are transforming into a deer. Now obviously I'm not doing anything like SFX or whatever, so this is going to be like a glam deer, you know, for Halloween or like a costume party. But let's get started. As you might notice, I do have a base on. Literally all I've got on is foundation and then some powder to mattify it, and I haven't done my eyebrows as I normally would because again that is important and I want you guys to see the process. But right now no, we'll do eyes first. I was going to say we'll do our face first because that's more important, but no, we'll do our eyes first. So right away, straight off the bat, we are going in with our DUK 18 and the Golden Skies palette by Jolie Beauty. Please use OK83 for 10% off if you're shopping. And you can dip into the colour Mystery, which is a very, very deep brown and very pigmented. So please make sure you tap with these because if not, it will just go everywhere and we don't need fallout. So yeah, we're just gonna run that along the top of our eyelid like so. Now as I always say and always will say, please don't panic if it's messy because that's what blending is for. And speaking of blending, let's go in with brush number 10 and the colour Warmth, also from the Golden Skies palette. Tap that off and we'll use that to blend out the previous shade. This one is very orange. It's an orangey brown, whereas the last one was more of a reddy brown, but don't worry because they will blend together. Then you're going to want to take number 11, which is like the fluffiest brush of all, with our Revolution Flawless 3 Resurrection palette. This just has a lot of browns and nudes, which the Jolie Beauty palettes that I have don't have, so, you know. And I'm going to go in with 1, 2, 3, the third colour down on the first row. And once again, that is to just blend all this. Next, I'm going to go in with this very fluffy brush that I got from Brushworks HD apparently, and I'm going to dip it in the colour Whiteout, also in our Golden Skies palette, and I'm going to put it all underneath the eye and up the sides, eventually blending it with the browns from earlier. Now before I do what I'm going to do on my eyelid, I'm just going to do my brows just so that they're out of the way, and I'm going to do them basically how I normally would, but just a teeny tiny bit darker. Okay, they aren't my best ever, but they're never their best ever, so I'm just leaving them there. And now I'm going to grab some concealer on brush number 19, and as always just cut the crease. And that's it, you're a deer now. You're ready. I'm going in with the colour Desire, once again from the Golden Skies palette, and brush number 11. And I'm just gonna pat that on. Desire is a reddish brown shimmer, so that should bring a nice pop of something to the eyelid, and it has. Lovely stuff. Okay, eyeliner I think. Okay, so I'm going to be using there it is, matte Maybelline Lasting Drama as I normally would, and this is a little bit weird because it's a little bit tricky to like get the hang of, but hopefully I'll be able to show you in a way that is easy for you to replicate. If not, then you never watched this video and I didn't tell you how to do anything. Because I don't want to be blamed for being bad at makeup. So we're gonna draw a line. I haven't got much space between the end of my eye and my nose, which is very unhelpful. So people with more space there will find this very easy. I don't have much space there, so I find it hard, but I will do my best with what I've been given. Don't be afraid to redo this line as many times as it takes before you get it right. It's not really affecting any other eye makeup because you haven't done anything there yet. And also you can just grab, if I knew where my foundation brush was, you can just grab the foundation brush and just pat some back in that area. Good as new. Okay, much happier with that. Then you're going to need a black eyeliner pencil. I am using the Rimmel London Professional Eyeliner Pencil in black. It's very easy. There's loads of them from every different brand, so you won't struggle to find one. And I'm just going to put that in the corner and on the inner corner too. Like that, and then I'm leaving that little gap in the middle because I want to put some white there. Now I don't actually have a white eyeliner pencil because I'm not prepared, but I can use a small brush. This is number 22 in the DU Hair collection, and just some white face paint that I have that we will be using later. You don't have to use face paint. The white eyeliner pencil will work exactly the same, but alas, I do not have that, and I do have face paint. So I'm just going to use that and pop it on the waterline in the middle, and then blend it out to make a grey with the others. I really wouldn't recommend using face paint in this instance, so if you can, please get hold of a eyeliner pencil, but if not, you gotta do what you gotta do. But I'm not telling anyone to use eyeliner or face paint anywhere near their eyes. Disclaimer. Anyway, then I'm gonna take number 20 and go back in with white out, the colour, and just once again emphasize that under my eyes. It is now time for lashes and mascara. So just grabbing my lash colour, and I actually have a new mascara brand, which is very exciting. I know I was very disappointed by their eyeliner, but I really love their mascara, so as far as I'm concerned, they are forgiven for that atrocious piece of makeup that I bought. But I'm using the Sleek Take You High mascara, and it actually works really well. It's just a little tiny brush like this, but it goes on really nicely, and it's very pigmented. So like I said, they are forgiven for their atrocious eyeliner. This look does require false eyelashes, of course, but I'm not going to do them till very last because there's so much else I need to do. Like, this is nowhere near even a little bit finished. So I'm going in with my natural bronzer from Rimmel London and my normal contour brush. If I can find it, there it is. I use number 8, and we are going to go heavy with the contour, and that is not an exaggeration at all. Okay, now that we're contoured, we're going to do the same under for me, my second chin, but for normal people, just on their normal chin, just underneath and up to the ears. I'm aware this looks absolutely insane, but please trust me, because it will look so nice by the end. But for now, we're just looking insane. Okay, remember when I said we needed face paint? Here's why. Basically, I got this face paint from some random Halloween store, like at Halloween, so a while ago. But it's still good. I didn't use it, so there's that. But I will link a Snazaroo link down below because, in my opinion, as someone who used to be a professional face painter, that's right, but you didn't know that about me, they are the best face paints for me, for my personal choice. So what you need to do is you need to wet the brush. It doesn't need to be too wet, just like damp enough to get the color up. Okay, so I'm using the Brushworks HD brush you saw earlier, and I'm using this one because it's the most circular shaped. So then I can literally just create little circles. They can range in size. You can use different brushes. I will be in a minute. But yeah, you basically want to spread them out everywhere you've got contour. So you want to go like up here and all down here. I find using a brush is nicer than using a sponge because it gives these little brush marks, which sort of look like hairs, and obviously deers are fur, not just flat, so it does just bring that nice little extra bit of texture in, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. I'm just swapping to a smaller brush to make some smaller points, and I'm using brush number 13 from the Do You Care set. And finally, I'm just going to use the really little brush, number 22, that I was using earlier, and just do some little tiny dots with that. Once you are nice and spotty, you're going to take the number 11 brush and just dip it into the bronzer again, but this time run it down the side of your nose. It is going to look really strong, but that's okay. That is the point. This is a costume look, not a everyday look. I know this side looks way darker, but that's because all my light is coming from this side, so it makes sense. So what we are going to do now is take our setting powder, and basically we want to make the middle of our face, where we would normally powder, look as white as possible, because that is kind of the look we're going for. So just pat it on and very gently spread it out. We are on the home stretch. This is the very final bit, and it is just putting the black lipstick on. I'm using the Stay Matte Liquid Lip Colour from Rimmel London. The same one I used in my goth video. I'm gonna bring that down. And then you just want it on the top lip, so make sure not to smudge. It's gonna be hard. Then you can either use liquid lipstick or eyeliner. I don't know if you can tell, I'm trying not to touch my bottom lip because I want it for it to dry. This is hard, but you can use eyeliner or the liquid lipstick and just do a couple little dots. Yeah. Then you're gonna want a nude lipstick for the bottom. This is so hard. I'm using Ariel by Colourpop, and that's just going on. And then I will fix the contour that came off with my powder, and then I'm done. well, lashes, then I'm done. So see you in the montage. And with that, I am ending this week's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry this looks a bit messier than it normally would be. I don't know what's been going on. My luck has been atrocious today. Like 6 or 7 things just fell off my table right when I was trying to record. So it's not my day, but you know, tomorrow's another day and it will get better. So yeah, like and subscribe, please. It really helps me out more than you would ever believe. And make sure to follow me on all my social medias, spelled like this. And they are all linked in the description as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.